A World Without Order, Chemistry Before Mendeleev.
Before the periodic table, scientists struggled to make sense of a chaotic collection of elements. There was no organized way to classify the known substances. Chemists used varied systems based on properties, atomic weights, or chemical behavior. But these methods were inconsistent and incomplete. The scientific community urgently needed a comprehensive framework to bring order to the chemical world.
Meet Dmitri Mendeleev, the architect of the table.
Dmitri Mendeleev was a Russian chemist with a passion for patterns and organization. In the 1860s, inspired by the puzzle of elements, he began systematically arranging them by increasing atomic weight. Driven by intuition and meticulous study, he noticed that certain properties repeated at regular intervals. This insight would become the key to unlocking the structure of the periodic table.
Patterns and predictions, Mendeleev's breakthrough.
Mendeleev's genius was not just in grouping similar elements together. He boldly left gaps in his table for elements yet to be discovered, predicting their properties with remarkable accuracy. This ability to foresee new elements, such as gallium and germanium, astonished his peers and validated the power of his periodic system. The table's predictive power set it apart from earlier classification attempts.
Impact and evolution, the table transforms chemistry.
The periodic table revolutionized chemistry by providing a clear organization of the elements. It shaped how scientists understood chemical behavior and relationships. Over time, the table evolved with new discoveries and revisions, especially after atomic number replaced atomic weight as the organizing principle. Today, it remains a universal tool, guiding research and discovery in both chemistry and physics.
Legacy of genius, why Mendeleev's table matters.
Mendeleev's periodic table is celebrated as one of the most important achievements in science. Its elegant design reveals deep patterns in nature and continues to inspire curiosity and innovation. Thanks to Mendeleev, what was once a confusing collection of elements is now a structured, predictive, and central foundation of chemistry classrooms and laboratories worldwide.